Dear children, I think you have well understood the chapter What is Democracy? Why Democracy? There is a very common definition of democracy. Democracy means the rule of the people. A democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Now we have discussed about the lot of countries near us about the democratic system, about Nepal, which has got the recent democratic setup in 2005. Then in Sri Lanka, still the government, the people of Sri Lanka is struggling for the democracy because the Sinhalese government has followed the policy of majoritarianism or majoritarian measures. In Myanmar, Aung San Suu Kyi is still fighting for the democracy because in Myanmar she is under house arrest and the government is following the military dictatorship. Then we have discussed the example of Pakistan. In 1999, General Pervez Musharraf overthrew the government and declared himself as the chief executive and changed his designation to president. In 2002, he held a referendum for 5 years extension. Ultimately, from the very beginning of 1999, he used all kind of fraud and malpractices. Media believed that it was based on malpractices on fraud. In August 2002, Pervez Musharraf declared a legal framework order which amended the constitution of Pakistan. Now, President can dismiss national and provincial assembly. That is not in the case of India. If we want to make overthrow the government, then there should be the minimum requirement of two-third majority, which needed the vote of no confidence. A government cannot be removed by the will of some people. It can be removed only with the vote of no confidence passed by both the houses of parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So this kind of practice is not followed in Pakistan. The president can dismiss national and provincial assembly in his manner, and cabinet is supervised. Cabinet means the central cabinet is supervised by the National Security Council, which is dominated by military officers. Most of the powers rest with military officers and Musharraf. Now we can say that there are two kind of government. One is that is democracy, and another is that is the democratic government which pretends to become a democracy. Understood? एक government to democracy होती है. Like in India, we have the democratic system because the rulers are elected by the people. There are common election. There are free and fair elections. There are so many kind of characteristics. One person, one vote, one value. Rule of law means the rules of the constitution are properly followed here. So there is a difference between the democracy and a government. A democratic government that is pretends to be democracy. One another example which we have not discussed, what is the about China. In China also elections held after every 5 years for country's parliament. नेशनल पीपल्स कांग्रेस, वहाँ की पार्लियामेंट जो है बेटा उसका नाम है नेशनल पीपल्स कांग्रेस विथ 3000 मेंबर्स. टोटल मेंबर्स कितने हैं? 3000 मेंबर्स. सम इलेक्टेड बाय आर्मी मीन्स देयर इज अ पावर ऑफ आर्मी ऑल्सो एज लाइक द पाकिस्तान, एंड पावर टू अपॉइंट प्रेसिडेंट. टिल 2002-3 only those who are the members of the Chinese Communist Party or 8 smaller parties were allowed to contest election. Government is formed by Communist Party only. Means in China also there is only one party system, that is Communist Party of China. Then later we have example of Mexico, in which the PRI party, Institutional Revolutionary Party, also followed the same kind of practice. Mean the government is showing that the government is a democratic government, but actually the government या democracy pretend to become democracy. Pretends का मतलब बहाना बनाती है या ऐसा शो करती है कि वो गवर्नमेंट जो है वो डेमोक्रेसी को फॉलो करती है. अगर वो डेमोक्रेसी को फॉलो करती तो वहाँ पर जो हमारा फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन का जो राइट है वो जो है सब लोगों को होता है, रेस्टोर होता. बट यहाँ गवर्नमेंट जो है इसी पॉलिसी को फॉलो करती है. गवर्नमेंट जो है मीडिया को इग्नोर करती है. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन पे गवर्नमेंट ने बैन लगा रखा है. गवर्नमेंट जो है टीचर्स को, स्कूल टीचर्स को फोर्स करती है कि वो पीटीएम जो है पेरेंट्स टीचर मीट में पेरेंट्स को फोर्स करे कि वो पीआरआई पार्टी के लिए वोट करे. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मैक्सिको भी रियल डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता, मतलब डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप वहाँ नहीं है. देन वी हैव एग्जांपल ऑफ जिम्बाब्वे. In Zimbabwe, after 1980, Zimbabwe got independence in 1980 from then there is a rule of only one party, that is JANU PF, and the president of the JANU PF party, Robert Mugabe, still practice the same type of practicing or following, that he has amended the constitution many times and increased the power of himself. जबकि हमारे ऐसा नहीं है, प्रेसिडेंट के फंक्शंस एंड पावर्स फिक्स है और प्रेसिडेंट के लिए इलेक्शंस होता है आफ्टर एवरी 5 years. हम उसमें डायरेक्ट पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते, लेकिन इनडायरेक्ट पार्टिसिपेशन होता है हमारा, और प्रेसिडेंट जो है उसके इलेक्शंस होते हैं और इलेक्शंस के बाद ही प्रेसिडेंट बनता है. लेकिन वहाँ जो है प्रेसिडेंट अपनी मोनोपोली से अपने पावर्स को बार बार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में चेंजेस करके आगे बढ़ा लेता है. तो इस तरह से हमने ये 3-4 एग्जाम्पल देखे, तो हम ये देखेंगे कि डेमोक्रेसी जो है एक डेमोक्रेटिक और नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट के बीच में हमें डिफरेंसेस मालूम पड़ेंगे. द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द मोनार्की, द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द मोनार्की एंड डिक्टेटरशिप एंड democracy. Then ultimately we will come to the conclusion that democracy is the best form of government, because in which the rulers are elected by the people, there are free and fair elections. Then one person one vote one value means irrespective of caste, color, sex, creed, race or nation, all the people in the country have the right to vote, that is adult franchise, and the one vote have one value. Rule of law is followed in our country also, because all the laws are mentioned in the constitution, followed by the government also. So these are the some characteristic of the chapter. I think you have well understood the chapter. Okay, regarding any problem the chapter, you can consult me in Zoom classes also. Okay, have a nice day everybody.